Anyway, I moved to a new field, just beside the Thorwald here, and here we have, quite unusual, they're mowing just in front of the chopper, growing up, because everything's that dry. Anyone that leaves it lying, it's just going to be dust. Not very great value feed in the winter, I thought. In the background we have the Gairloch farm, and we're heading back towards the Annan Road there. In the distance, Cripple, you can hardly see it today because of the got its hat on today. No, that's not Cripple, here's Cripple here behind me. Aye, get things wrong now and again. I better watch you don't get run over though. So we have two McCormicks today. It's the big boy over there. So I'm not sure I'm going to be standing on the right side so I don't get covered in dust. More than likely I will. So the grass is actually just dying because there's lack of rain. So it's not so good at all. Two Scots, Scott Anderson and Scott Watson, watching there. I'll let you see the ground once the tractor passed here. So it's McCormick X60.30 in a class line of 2,800 today. So I'll just walk across and see get closer to the mower. So the grass is very, very dry, even with it just being cut. So I'm not sure if this has happened before. Just mowing in front of the chopper to keep things, a bit of moisture in the grass, make it better there. Certainly a few other people should be doing this because of it's been that dry for so long. I better remember I'm actually in the guy's road that he's going to be coming down here. It's very, very hazy. You can actually see the Solway from here, Solway Firth, in the background there. It's not that big a crop. We're actually on the bit of a hill here, and it'll be drier, better down below there. Hi Dougie, aye. What you up to today? You'll be on a buck rake somewhere, more than likely, if it's rainy day. So I was quite fortunate, I got here in time. I don't know if many acres to do yet or not. Ross McGregor is watching there. There's a bit of steer coming off the grass, or what I can see, and it's going to be coming my way. I'm not going too much closer. But it's probably James Jackson himself that's cutting today, possibly anyway. McCormick 7.660. I'm sure it's James himself. The steer is coming over this way, but should be okay. Andrew Ewan is watching. Hi Andrew, I never got a wee go in the tractor the other day there when I was over at your place. Maybe some other day you'll let me loose, let me have a go. Possibly anyway. So the grass is actually shot, and it'd probably get worse. If you left it longer, it would just get worse. It would be drying out, dying, whatever you want to call it. there's probably, well, the 2 tractors working here, at least 4 carting. 2 Watson on the pit, and the JCB on the pit back at Redhills there. So there's certainly a few tractors out and about today. So you can see at the gear lock where they've taken the silage off recently, and it certainly needing some rain to recover. Way up in the hill there as well. I would just wonder what's going to happen with fodder situation for this winter coming. These lads have got lots and lots of cows to feed, probably not enough forage, so have to wait and see. It's surprising how things can turn around, but there's no rain forecast of any amount for the next certainly week or so, I wouldn't have thought. Joe Bell, good afternoon there. Eddie Merrick, good afternoon. Today I'm at the Thorold. I was actually born at West Rookin, which is just in that direction over the hill. Nearly 67 years ago. I'm 67 on the 31st of July. So there you go. I don't know if there's much else to film today or not. We'll have to wait and see. I'm getting away from James, which is good. Anyway, there's only so much you can film. So we'll catch you later. I don't know where I'll be. I might go back to the chopper will be coming in here anyway. So I might see a few loads loaded. Might even get on with Joe if I'm lucky for a few loads there. So from the Thorold into Priest and Galloway, take care. Probably catch you later, hopefully when I'm on the forager with Joe. Bye just now.